Boston ripping rollers. Taking a look at the birds. The coop's all clean. My son cleaned it yesterday. These are kit birds. This is my breed of hens. Got a couple cocks in there. I gotta get out of there. This is the breeding cocks. This is the hens. Down here, this is my breeder section. But these are all mostly flyers in here. I think I got maybe 2 pairs in here that gotta go. Get out of here, like that almond and that yellow hen. That's from last year. I don't know if there's any youngsters in those bulls, but maybe. Yeah, I think there's something underneath that white bar. Take a look. Nothing. 2 eggs. Get those birds out of here. These are all kit birds, most of them, anyhow. All right, Boston ripping rollers. Well, let me show you the kit birds. There's some of the kit birds here. Here's the other kit. All right, Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great day. Bye.